How to add video backgrounds on Wix pages. So we have in here our Wix pages. So what we can do is we can just click on a background. Just click on any empty space from there and click on this change background option. From in there, click on this video and then it will actually open the Wix site gallery. So what we can do is we can just find in here a site or media from Wix that we want to have as our video background. So you can also put or just hover to that video and you can see what it looks like. So just click on which one you want and click on this change background option. Now it will take some time for this to load, but once it's been added, you should be able to see it in here at all. Now it will not move right now because it's not yet been published and we're still editing it. But once it's been published, your visitors can now view this video background. So that's how you add video backgrounds on Wix pages. Hope we helped.